So welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to protect your GoPro from scratch, right? So I brought GoPro template glass from AliExpress. So I already bought GoPro waterproofing case. So let's unlock this case and take out my GoPro back here edition 8.1. So if you see that most of part were scratch even in body because of the long time usage. So I have seen some water leakage also coming for the GoPro. So that's why I try to protect my GoPro with water and dust and scratch. So let's see what's inside of this tempered glass kit, right? So they have provided that wet and dry wipers and some kind of paper to keep your GoPro and big template glass for back screen. And I saw there was another template glass for the camera and another glass for front view that you can display the GoPro recording items, right? Those are the packages included in this template glass box, and you can find this kind of template glass box in AliExpress. I think $2 or $3, and they also provide dust absorber stickers. So it's kind of new thing that I have seen in this kind of box. So I will take my dust absorber and clean my screen of GoPro. All of the screen I am going to clean using this dust absorber. It really work well as I expected. And now I'm using wet wipers to clean if there was more dust in here. And after that I'm using dry wipers to clean the wet environment, right? You have to clean all the surfaces using wet wiper. And if you see in my GoPro there are also button also I have removed because there was some malfunctioning in button, so I have already removed my button. You can see my previous video that I have how I have removed that GoPro power on button. And now I'm using that template glass for my camera lens. So when you are applying this, try to remember that you have to remove all of the bubbles that uh, inside of this lens and the template glass. and then I'm applying the bigger tempered glass for the back screen. So they were provided two more template glasses for the front recording screen. So I don't know why, but they were both same sizes, and I'm already applying for that. And then after all of the things were done, you can put your GoPro for the your waterproofing case, and you can use without water, dust, and the scratches, right? So if you learn something new, you can subscribe our channel or hit like and comment if you have any suggestions or the comments.